Welcome. Today we are going to discuss the implementation of license server redundancy in the RLM license manager, which is also Reprise license manager. Let me share my screen quickly. So RLM implementation of license server redundancy. So as a decision, the RLM team decided that they will not implement license server redundancy as they did previously in FlexLM, and they opted for a failover server approach. So as demonstrated here, we see the license software. It's working with the primary license manager, and in case needed, it will fail over to the second server. So let's see the details. So we see the same sketch here, and how do you do it? How do you set it up? So you need to install another instance of the license server. You get a failover license file from the vendor and put both files in the folder, in the license file folder of this license manager. That allows the failover license manager to be aware of the primary license manager, and then it will monitor it constantly. In case it goes down, failover server will go and become active. It will take about 2 minutes, and then users will be able to get the licenses from the failover license manager. So now, how do you set up the client? So this is done the same as in FlexLM. So in the license path, you put the two license managers. So you see that's the port and then primary host name, and then same port, failover host name. So exactly the same, which is not ideal. The other method, which I didn't personally try with RLM, but I'm sure it should work, you can implement a load balancer, you put a group there, and you say the license software only sees this, and but the software actually is using either available license manager. I'm sure that this will work. Second approach, which is much more powerful, is using OpenLM router, and in that case, it will do the switch, and it will also provide a lot more functionality. So let's summarize. So the implementation of RLM, Reprise License Manager for license redundancy, is that there is no need for redundant license manager. We are talking about failover. So just in case this server goes into action, they think of it as a virtual license server group that serves together. Either one should work from this group of servers, which is similar, I think. We still see the problem with setting the client. You need to set all the license servers, but we also gave a solution for that. So thank you very much for listening today. Looking forward to meeting you next time. Thank you.